Welcome to Cyber Defense Lab presented by Cryptex. In this series tutorial we are going to learn about some Linux commands. So basically what we're going to do is slowly build up our Linux commands by starting from simple commands and move to complex ones. With that said, let's begin. So the first command we're going to do is cd. It stands for change directory. So basically it changes the current directory that you're working in, right? So currently I'm in a desktop main source. So if I type a cd and I just need to give a path, right? So I'm in desktop currently. So yeah, this is how it works. So if I want to go back or move back from the current position I'm in from desktop, I just type cd to full stops or dots. So yeah, I'm further behind from desktop now, right? So basically that's how this command works. So let me change my let me go to my main folder. So next command is ls. So what this command does, it basically lists the files or folders that's currently situated in the folder that the terminal is currently turned on. So basically it shows the files and folders that are present on the current working directory, right? Various parameters can be specified in this command in order to summarize the listed results. So first let's do this. So this shows that there are two folders. So this bluish purple color is a folder. If we further go to the source folder, we can see here there are two files. It's a Python file and it's a JPG, that's a picture, right? Image file. So yeah, everything is color coded in this list command. Other parameters are list all, list -a. So yeah, it shows all the hidden files that are currently cannot see from the just using a list. It shows the hidden files, and there's another parameter that you can supply, or list long. That's list -l. It shows the long shows everything, user permission, this rwx read write execute. You can see this is the size of the file and this is the last executed date of the file, right? So everything you can see from list long. So the next command is su or super user. So what this command does is basically provides root permission to the current user and can be used in unison with other commands to perform any actions that require root access to function, right? So if I write here su, just su, and I type enter, I need to hit the root password. So before I was a user basically, so now I have gained the root access to the system. So if I want to exit the root, just type exit. Yeah, now we're back to the user. And if you do not want to basically give your terminal a root access, you can type sudo, that stands for super user do gate update, right? And you need to now, here's the thing, before when you use su you had to type a password for the root, but now when you write this, the user itself needs to be authenticated rather than the root user, right? So now we have to type a password for the user. So yeah, it's working. So I do not want to update this right now. Stopped. Now Another command that we're gonna learn is cp. It basically stands for copy paste. Using cp, this will help you to copy and paste the files from the terminal. You determine the file you want to copy, and destination and source of the file must be specified, right? So write cp here. Let me change my directory first. I'm in main, right? Yeah. Now we have two folders here called dest, that's short for destination, and source, main. So what we're gonna do is copy files from source to destination. Now this command requires to give a full address of the directory you're currently working in. So home, main, and source. Alright, now if we just want to copy the file folder source, then we just leave it like that, right? But if we want to copy the content of the file, of the folder, folder source, then we give a trailing slash here. It's known as trailing slash. It specifies that whether we want to copy the whole folder or just the contents of the folder, right? So yeah, I'm gonna copy the contents of the folders to copy the content of the folders. So copy the content of the folders to destination. Oh yeah, so we need to specify a recursive command, in order to copy the files right now. Sometimes that's compulsory. Yeah, it is done. So now let's see this destination. See, we have the source folder in the destination, right? This whole folder is copied into the destination folder. So the next command is mv, or move command basically. So this command allows us to move a file or folder from source to the destination, right? So that mv I'm just gonna give a source. Sorry. Source, right? We're gonna move the file from the source. It's main.py. It's a Python file to the destination. So basically, I'm gonna copy this, paste from main source to destination, right? DST. So yeah, what shows an error? Home desktop main source main.py. What? Cannot stat. Oh yeah, there's an error. Sorry, it's my mistake, my fault. So yeah, it's moved, right? Let's see. In the destination, we're currently in the destination right now. We're gonna list this main.py, right? So yeah, that's basically how this command works. Now another command is apt-get. So in Debian Based Linux Distributions, apt-get or apt-get, it is used to install, remove, and upgrade any packages. apt stands for Advanced Packaging Tool. It's a package manager basically for the Linux. The apt-get command is gonna help you to install the softwares, upgrade softwares, and even remove some softwares, right? So if I write apt-get, I think we need to require a super user for this. Sorry, update, just give the password, yeah, apt-get update, it installs, right? Sorry, it updates the system. So I stopped it. So yeah, now for installation we need to write apt get install. I want to install, I just want to demonstrate to install a software called NeoFetch. It shows the system information, right? It's already done. So yeah, that's how this command works. So the clear command can be used to clear the terminal, the clutters, basically. So the next command that we're gonna do is df. This command is used to find the free disk space, right? Disk free. So it shows the uses of the disk drive space inside any directory. So currently we're in destination dest, right? So do df here, we can see everything, right?